Now, time for traffic and weather together. Good morning, it's me, Riley King, here with your morning traffic report. Let's begin. Good morning. Traffic is moving smoothly across much of New Hampshire this morning with no major delays reported on key roadways. Interstate 93 through Manchester, Bedford, and Hooksett is flowing well in both directions on Route 101 from Exeter through Manchester toward Keene is also clear. Travel remains steady along I-95 near Portsmouth and the Seacoast, as well as I-495 around Amesbury and Haverhill. Roads in Concord, Nashua, and the surrounding communities are seeing typical morning volume, but no significant slowdowns or incidents are indicated at this time. Overall, it's a favorable start for commuters. Just allow extra time as traffic builds through the morning rush. Safe travels.
Winds picking up today, and that will set up the coldest air of the season so far to start the weekend, and likely our biggest snowfall of the season so far to wrap up the weekend. 3 straight alert days starting on Saturday, along with the cold, and then Sunday and Monday with the snowfall. We are expecting a very fluffy snow to fall with temperatures only in the teens as it comes down Sunday afternoon, Sunday night, and early Monday. And it is going to mean some very difficult travel in the Sunday evening and Monday morning time frame. Out ahead of that, the winds picking up today and gusting over 20 to 25 miles an hour. And that sets the stage for the colder air tonight, along with the much colder wind chills. You can see for the northern half of the state, we have the extreme cold warning for tonight and into Saturday. Extreme cold advisories farther south. Wind chills will range anywhere from 10 below in some southern areas, all the way to as cold as 35 to even 40 below farther north at times tonight and into the day on Saturday. And you can see the drop in temperatures, a lot of single digits for highs with sunshine on your Saturday. And then Sunday, we'll start to see the snow edge in, especially as we go through the afternoon. So here's a look at, again, the feels like readings. If you're outdoors, temperatures will be in the single digits for the day on Saturday, with winds gusting over 25 miles an hour. And you can see what that produces as far as the feels like readings throughout the day, which will be mostly in the double digits below zero throughout the afternoon. That will continue with the colder temperatures into Saturday evening, with lows in the single digits below zero overnight, Saturday night, and into Sunday morning. Now, clouds will continue to drift in Sunday morning, and eventually we will start to see the snow develop into the afternoon. You can see wind chills really aren't that much of a bargain there as well. They will be significantly lighter. Winter storm watches have been posted for central and southern areas of the state. This means conditions favorable for over 6 inches of accumulation in that area there. We are looking at the toughest travel to start gradually settling in later in the day Sunday, and it will be high impacts for travel Sunday evening and into Monday morning, and it will be a gradual winding down of that light snow Monday afternoon and into Monday evening. You can see that storm system is a solid 2,500 miles away down the Texas Panhandle right now. Temperatures today, teens and 20s, brisk winds kicking up over 25 miles an hour through the afternoon. And we will have scattered snow showers or even a brief squall again today will be a possibility, with the leading edge of that coldest air, which will start to settle in later on tonight with clearing skies. A lot of sunshine for Saturday. Again, highs in the single digits to near 10 degrees. Along with it, wind chills, very cold in the double digits below zero throughout the day. Clouds will start to take over later Saturday night and into Sunday. And you will notice the arrival of the initial snow, and again, roads won't be immediately awful when it starts, will be either side of noontime. That will overspread the area by mid-afternoon, and then will be heaviest Sunday evening and into Monday. Snowfall rates could be over 2 inches per hour at times, just due to the very cold temperatures and the very light, fluffy nature to this snow. We are expecting the highest amounts to be in southern New Hampshire out of this system, but I think even in the North Country, there could be 6 to 12 inches of accumulation and possibly even more in some spots, even up through Coos County out of this. And again, snow most organized through Monday morning, and a much lighter version of this as the low starts to shift offshore during the afternoon. And then it winds down Monday evening, setting up clearing skies for Tuesday. So as far as the snowfall forecast is concerned, A general 12 to 18-inch accumulation for central and southern areas of the state. Now, there is certainly that possibility, especially as you get up in elevation in those normal favorite areas and see a little bit more than everybody else, that over 18 inches of accumulation is going to be a possibility, especially with these snowfall rates of over 2 inches per hour and the very fluffy nature to that snow. While farther north, we'll be looking again at 6 to 12 inches of accumulation, but even there could be some spots over a foot of accumulation. For now, though, it is all about the focus in on the very cold temperatures. These are the actual lows later on tonight. And then your highs tomorrow, again, single digits to near 10 degrees with the gusty winds going through the afternoon. Snowfall, heaviest Sunday night and into Monday morning. It continues Monday afternoon, and the colder air continues through next week.